Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to play any song from anywhere on the Overwatch piano. So first, you're going to go to YouTube, okay, and then you're going to type in your song, so it'll be like Alan Walker, Faded, and then piano tutorial. Okay, and then we're going to go to this one. Okay, so this is what it sounds like. So yeah, so you can see that these bars come down. They show you which note to play on the piano. Now, if you want to see me in game, what I would do in game, so usually I would only play the green keys since we only have one hand and stuff. So yeah, so let me see if I can play this. So let me see what keys I have to play. Okay, so I see that I have to play this key 3 times. So I also listen to it to make sure it sounds right, so it's in like the right key or whatever, because it would be weird if I was playing in this, so I would play this like 3 times instead of what it's supposed to sound like, which is. So yeah. Okay. So it seems like I play this 3 times. 2, 3. Okay. Okay, and then I play this once. And then I play this 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. And you basically get the idea. Now sometimes they might require you to use 2 hands, so I can see in the thumbnail here. So you can't exactly play this because you can only play 1 note at a time. So what you can do, I've seen some people do it. I haven't really tried this. I just kind of try and play a different song, but I've seen that there's this one person who would basically use their secondary fire, and then they would kind of play notes like that. So they would aim here in order to play 2 notes. So right click, then left click on the 2 notes. You kind of have to be pretty fast. So yeah, but that's a way of playing 2 notes if you want to. It's kind of hard. I haven't really tried it that much before. I've seen like some people do that with like 3 notes or whatever. I'm pretty sure there's like a special mode that allows you to do this, so you have more time, so the secondary fire orbs move slower. But yeah, so that's how you play any song on the Overwatch piano. Well, on the Overwatch piano. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new and you're gonna like try and play some new songs on the Overwatch piano because it's pretty fun. So make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Bye guys.